Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Huzaifa and today we have the Lego City Lego set 602. We have the 5 and up set, serial number 60223. So it looks like we have a truck export and like a construction machine with a worker and a scarecrow. So in the back, it looks like the truck carries the machine and it has all the things you need. And in the side here, it has Lego City and the number, and same thing on this side here. And remember, this is my first unboxing. Looks like this got beat up a little, but it's okay. Looks like we have the instruction manual. Okay. Looks like we have the instruction manuals here. Package number 2. Package number 1. Package number 3. And package number 4. Okay, I'm going to build this set and review it later. I will see you then. Oh my god, that took 2 hours long. Okay, so first I'm going to review all the characters. Okay. So let's take them out of their vehicles. All right. Okay, so first we have the driver of this very long truck. So he has some sunglasses, some brown hair, he has an unzipped jacket, and some design on the back. Then we have this worker that controls this farm vehicle. He has a nice beard, overalls, and a hat. Then we have a scarecrow. The scarecrow normally has a sweater on his neck. He's standing, he's holding a leaf racket. So yeah. So we all have them. Then we have the big vehicle here. We have a truck that connects and disconnects from this. Like that. So here's the truck by itself. It carries this, which can carry another vehicle. Which can carry another vehicle on here. So like this. Then you have this, and then you have like a coffee mug in here. You could turn this up and down. You have the what is it? The license plate, and then you have the truck engines. Then you have a hook right here. Oopsies. Let me fix that. Okay. Okay. Alright. Yep, some technical difficulties. Okay, then you have a hook here, which can connect to this like that. Then you could take this out, put this worker inside with his legs, his arms, and like, oopsies. Like, okay, don't bother me. Like that, and put it back on. Then you have this farm machine. So it has the thing that gets the smoke out. So you can control it to come down when you're not using it, and to come up. So that's nice. Then you have these, which they wash the land, like these. So if you make it move, it's like that. Then you could take this out, position him, put him in here like that. Then oh god, okay. You put this back on. Then he's driving it. Then there's another thing you could do. It's in this instruction manual. At the end, you could put them on each other. So if I can see this properly, yes, you could put him on here like that. But I'm trying to see how you do it. Wait, so you have to take this off. Then you have to, what is it? There's like two things here. Okay. So you have to like take little grabbers, okay? So like these grabbers, you have to put this on here like that. Then you could take this whole truck, you could remove this and put it on here like that. So cool, right? Then when you're done, oopsies, alright, that's a mistake, okay, we'll just leave it. When you're done, you could take this out, and then this can come back down like this, and then you could attach it again, and then you have your little Lego city playset. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and join and click the post notification to join Team Canada. I will see you in the next one. Bye!